Hello everyone, I'm Emma and welcome to this relaxing beginner yoga flow. So go ahead and grab your mat, head to your favorite yoga spot, and we'll begin shortly. So today we'll be starting off at a slower pace and beginning in the easy pose position. Find that comfortable seat, find a tall spine, and take one deep breath. The deepest breath you've taken all day. Then the next inhale, sweep the arms up, reach upwards. Hold for a moment. And on the exhale, bring the hands back down. This time on the inhale, bring the right arm under the left and bow down towards the right. So eagling the arms, finding a little side stretch here. Good, right hand connects to the mat, reach the left arm over for a bit of a deeper stretch. Inhale, let's come back up through the middle, reach both arms up towards the ceiling, and on the exhale, interlace into eagle arms, find the side stretch to the left. This time the left arm should be under the right. Unleash the lock there, and then left arm can rest on the mat, right arm reaches over. If you're not able to get the whole forearm on the mat, that's okay. Just press that left palm to the ground. Inhale, come back through the middle, and exhale, fold it forwards. And inhale, lift back up, and we're gonna swap which leg is in front of the other to use the less favorite leg. Make sure we even it out. Inhale, arms lift. Hold for a moment. Exhale, hands down, and inhale. This time we're going to bring the left arm back under the right and lean down towards the left knee again. Take a deep breath. And unwrap the eagle arms. Left arm comes towards the mat or lays on the mat. Right arm reaches over. Inhale, come back to the middle, reach the arms up. And exhale, find the wrap, other side. This time the right arm is wrapping under and you're leaning towards the right. Right arm comes across the mat. Inhale, left arm reaches over. Come back to the middle, inhale, arms up, and exhale, one last fold here. Inhale to lift up, and we're gonna roll over the legs, come into a tabletop position. So from here, we'll just start a couple cat-cow. So bring a micro bend into the elbows, really think about moving those shoulder blades and articulating every part of the spine. You can even rock forwards and back, but bring your mind to the core of your body with this movement. If you haven't already, begin to introduce the linking of your breath, inhaling to lift the chest and exhaling to round the back. Take it slow, about one more here. And then tuck the toes under, lift the hips up, come into your downward dog. Good, find your hamstring stretch, engage the shoulder blades, and circle the elbows very gently towards the mat. So don't fight it, it's just a tiny little movement to support the back more. From there, inhale, roll forward to plank. Take a deep inhale and engage that core. Pull the belly button into the spine. And on the exhale, roll back to downward dog. Inhale, roll back forward to plank. Use those tippy toes, round through the upper back. Find a bit more elevation in the hips in your plank today. And exhale, come back to downward dog. Inhale, roll it forward. Last one. Round, come up onto the tippy toes and downward dog. Down, try and find length in the legs and the back. And then on the next inhale, we're gonna slowly walk to the top of the mat. Find halfway lift. Hands can come up above the knees on the thighs, but try and find a nice flat back. Knees can even bend a little bit. Exhale to fold slightly more forward. You're welcome to grab the elbows here and hang. So rocking side to side or holding, up to you, adding a bit of a bounce. Inhale, bend the knees, reach all the way up. Come into your Tadasana, mountain pose. Hands come to the chest. All right, we're gonna pick the pace up a little bit. Send the hips back. Inhale, look upwards, come into a chair pose. Exhale, let the hands come down to the mat. And inhale, step the left foot back, bring the left knee to the mat, lift the chest. Low lunge. Exhale, from here we're going to press upwards, grab both elbows, inhale, and then on the next exhale, tilt over to the right. A little bit of a deeper hip flexor stretch here. Try and keep those hips a little more square, so not sinking down so much. Keep them upright in 90 degrees. Then let that left hand drift down to the mat, reach the right arm up for a revolved lunge. Exhale, right hand down, step the right foot back, knees down, lower all the way to the mat. Inhale from here, just using the back muscles, lift the upper chest. Cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, tuck the toes under, downward dog. Take a second here. Good, come up onto those tippy toes, roll it forward, halfway lift again. Exhale to fold a little deeper. Again, you're welcome to grab the elbows, swing a little bit, just be gentle. For this pose, we're mainly finding a bit of comfort. Inhale, lift all the way up to mountain. Exhale, hands come back to the chest. Take a second, deep breath, find that open and strong posture. Inhale, reach the arms up, send the hips low, chair pose again. Hold. And on the exhale, hands come down, good job. Inhale, step the right foot back, right knee to the mat, lift the chest, low lunge. Good, breathe in. And on the exhale, sink back, inhale, arms up, grab the elbows. Exhale, lean over towards the left when you're ready for a bit of a deeper hip flexor stretch in the right side of hips. Again, think about that mind to body connection. Think about the place you're stretching. Make sure you feel supported in the lunge. So not trying to leave all of our weight into the hip joint here. Use your muscles. Good, bring that right hand to the mat. Inhale to lift the left arm up. Revolved lunge. Go ahead and bring that left arm down, step the left foot back, knees down, chest down to the mat. And if you're new to Cobra, just use the back muscles. But if you want to get into a bit of passive flexibility, press into the hands and lift slightly higher. Try and keep the hips in contact with the mat. Good, tuck the toes under, lift the hips up. Try and find that straight back, press with the shoulder blades, lengthen through the hamstrings. Inhale, walk forward, halfway lift. Exhale, two folds. Maybe a little deeper this time. Don't try and push for a super deep fold. Bending the knees is fine. Inhale to lift all the way back up to mountain. Connect the palms and return to Tadasana. Good, take a second. Again, find your posture. And inhale, arms lift. Exhale, interlace them behind the back or just hook the thumbs if interlacing is a bit tight. And fold down forwards. Then tilt slightly over to the left. So So you're almost trying to lift that right shoulder up. Inhale, come back to the middle, tilt to the right and try and lift the left shoulder up. Be gentle here. Inhale to the middle, exhale, hands connect to the mat, lift halfway, step it back, come into plank and lower. This time you can enter that low plank if you want, or continue to bring the knees all the way to the mat as you lower. Inhale, lift for cobra. And on the next exhale, tuck the toes under, lift the hips up, downward dog again. Inhale, we're gonna lift the right leg, three-legged dog. You can bend that left knee still, that's fine. Tuck the knee as close into your chest as you can and step forward. Inhale, circle the arms up once you have your base. Find high lunge. Hold, take a breath, try and pull the thighs together to feel a bit more engagement in the legs here. A bit more stability. Exhale to lean forward, inhale, try and step forward while keeping that back leg hovered. Palms come to the chest, and then the left ankle crosses over the right thigh. Find your figure 4 chair pose. Hold that balance, it's totally okay if you fall. I encourage falling because it is the best way to learn. Hands come down, step it back, and inhale, lift that right leg all the way up and back. Exhale to lower. Good, taking it to the other side, inhale, left leg up. Exhale to tuck it in again as close as your chest as you can, but use that hand if you didn't make it all the way up for the step up. Again, find your foundation, inhale, arms lift. Pull those thighs together to engage the legs a little bit more. Exhale, we're gonna lean forwards and inhale. It's okay if you need a couple steps, but make your way up to standing. Lift that knee towards your chest. Exhale, the right ankle crosses over the left thigh this time. Find your figure 4. Hold steady. Inhale, lift up, good job. Exhale, step it back. And inhale, left leg lifts all the way up, three-legged dog. It's okay if you need to bend that knee. Exhale, left leg comes down. Take a breath in and out. And on the exhale, knees come to the mat. Entering tabletop position. And then we're going to bring the right hand into the middle of the mat. The right knee comes across the right side of the mat. So turning it, and then lift the left arm and extend the left leg. Experiment here a little bit. Try bending that right elbow and then extending the arm completely. See which stretch you like more. Then from here, inhale, left arm to left leg, right arm reaches over. Find a stretch in the right side of the body now. Good, exhale, right hand comes down, both hands connect to the mat, straighten out the right knee, and then bring the left leg all the way forward if you can. It's okay if you need to wiggle or adjust to get here. Left hand comes onto the ground, inhale, right arm up. If the left hand isn't able to make it onto the ground, you can elevate and cross the left forearm over the left thigh. Exhale, right hand comes down, tuck the right toes under. Inhale, lift up for warrior 3. So try and find a balance on that left leg. Engage both of the legs, almost as if you're kicking against a wall in that right leg to engage the whole back of that leg. Inhale, come back to mountain. Nice job. Lift the arms up and exhale, fold forwards. From here, we're going to step all the way back to downward dog. Inhale and exhale, return to tabletop. This time, the left knee crosses towards the left side of the mat and the left hand stays on the mat. Again, experiment with that stretch. Right arm is reaching, right leg extending. Then swap the stretch. Left arm reaches over, right hand connects to the right leg. Exhale, both hands come back to the mat, pivot that left knee straight, and step the right foot forward. Right hand stays on the ground. Inhale, left arm up. Again, you can always connect that right forearm across the right thigh instead if you need a bit more space for your hips. Exhale, bring the left hand back down, tuck the left toes under, and warrior three on the other side. Lift off of the back foot, balance on that right leg. Again, kick through the back foot, find engagement in the left leg and stability in the upper body. Just do your best to hold this balance. It's okay if you need to tap those toes in the mat a couple times. Inhale, return to your mountain pose, reach the arms up, and exhale, fold. Inhale, come back to downward dog. Take one breath here, and on the next exhale, bring the knees back to the mat and extend the legs out in front of you. Seated forward fold. Lift up tall, and on the exhale, lean forward. You can either grab underneath the knees, bend the knees, grab the ankles, grab the cuffs, or use the strap here. So pick whichever option feels best for you, and make sure you're feeling that hamstring stretch, but it's not painful. It's just slightly uncomfortable. Take deep breaths and let your body know you are okay in this position, and it's okay to start relaxing deeper. Finally, you can close the eyes, and that will help you tune into your other senses and connect a bit more to your body. Take one more breath here. And then go ahead and lift up, find a comfortable seat, and we'll finish off with a bow. So inhale to reach the arms up, exhale either bow all the way down or just bring the hands to the chest. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay tuned for more videos just like this, and if you did enjoy the video, hit that like button or even the subscribe. See you next time.